بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم ویورز، آج ہم آپ سے شیئر کرنے جا رہے ہیں پنجاب پولیس ڈپارٹمنٹ کی پوسٹ جونیئر کلرک BPS 11 کا پاسٹ پیپر جو PPSC نے 2018 میں کنڈکٹ کیا تھا۔ ویورز، اس پیپر کا فرسٹ MCQs آپ اپنی اسکرین پر دیکھ رہے ہیں۔ ہم اپنی پریپریشن کا آغاز فرسٹ MCQs سے کریں گے۔ What is the synonym of desperate? Front. Which is the largest desert in the world? It's Sahara. Molasses is a byproduct of factory. Sugar. Hijaz mountains are found in Saudi Arabia. QuickTime is a media player. Attan is a traditional dance. It is a popular in which of the following cultures? Pashtun. The first census of Pakistan took place in 1951. Choose the correct preposition in the following sentences. Employers are busy people and they do not have time to wait dash a 30-page resume. Its answer is through. What category of functions is used in this formula? PMT. C10/12, C8, C9, 1. Payment. Which country is located at the north of the Arabian Sea? Iran and Pakistan. In MS Word 2007, to select the previous cell's contents, press Shift plus Tab. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint view? Presentation view. Who was Zaid bin Haris? First Muslim among slaves. How many feathers are fixed in the base shuttlecock with respect to badminton game? 16. Which of the following has the status of an observer state of the United Nations Holy See. Ashgabat is the capital of Turkmenistan. When was Quaid-e-Azam elected as the President of the First Constituent Assembly? August 11, 1947. A car salesman sells 42 red cars and 14 green cars. What is the ratio of red cars to green cars sold? It's 3:1. In word processing, what does an I-beam facilitate? Highlighting text. Who was the dictator of Germany from 1933 to 1945? Adolf Hitler. Which regiment of Pakistan Army has received maximum numbers of Nishan-e-Haider? Punjab Regiment. Who was the ruler of Jammu and Kashmir at the time of partition? Hari Singh Dogra. The longest mountain range in the world Andes is in South America. Which number will complete the number series 2, 5, 12, 23, 38, 57? It's 80. To ensure that a graphic that you insert in a document is not distorted when you resize it, select log aspect ratio. In which city is the famous Wazir Khan Mosque located? Lahore. The shortcut key to bold the text is Control B. What is the name of Hadith which is according to the Holy Quran and reason? Hadith Sahih. Which file is responsible to start MS Word? winword.exe. Temperature is measured using a thermometer. Cleveland Dam is built on Capilano River of Canada? The synonym of emancipate is to set free from restraints. Find the relationship zoo is to animals as aquarium is to fish. Who is the author of the book Conversation with Myself? Nelson Mandela. Which combination of keys is used to underline a text? Control U. Synonym of canny is clever. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar is buried at Baitul Maqdis. Kishan Ganga hydropower project was built on the river Jhelum. Hajjaj bin Yusuf demanded compensation for looted ships from which ruler of Sindh? Raja Dahir. A husband and wife had 6 married sons, and each of them had 5 children. How many members were there in the family? 44. Maria bought a laptop at 20% discount on its original price. She sold it with a 40% increase on the price she bought. Her percentage of profit on the original prices. Its answer is 12%. Fill in the blanks. Salma was ill dash fever. Its answer is with. Salma was ill with fever. Which poisonous gas is produced when coal is burned without enough air supply? Carbon monoxide. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom a dark horse. It's an unexpected winner. The term hung parliament describes a situation in which no single party has a majority in the House. Who were the champions in the 2018 FIFA World Cup? France. apply center alignment to a paragraph, we can use which of the following keys? Control E, metacarpal bones are found in which part of the human body? Hands. Complete the number series 2, 6, 18, 54. Its answer is 162. What is the distance of penalty stroke away from the back line in hockey game? 6.40 meter. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who proposed the name Pakistan, is buried in Cambridge. In MS PowerPoint, clip art option is available in dash menu. It's available in insert menu. Who among the following was convicted in Rawalpindi conspiracy case? Faiz Ahmed Faiz. In which surah of the Holy Quran the method to perform wuzu is elaborated? Surah Al-Ma'idah. Disk cleanup is an utility program in MS Excel to view a cell comment. Position the mouse pointer over the cell. Formosa is the old name of Taiwan. Who invented the Java language? James Gosling. Which gas is used in the preparation of fizzy soft drinks? Carbon dioxide. How many times Pakistan became Olympic champion in hockey? It's 3 times. Complete the number series 1, 8, 4, 27, 9. Its answer is 64. Who is called the father of modern psychology? Sigmund Freud. Regarding Internet, the acronym ISP refers to Internet Service Provider. In the Holy Quran, there are two surahs named after insects. One is Al-Nahl, name the other Surah Al-Naml. Business through internet is called e-commerce. What is the opposite of shirk in Islam? Tawheed. Who was the leader of Iranian Revolution in 1979? Ayatollah Khomeini. You can create a new presentation by completing all of the following except clicking File Open, give the number of Faraiz-e Wuzu as mentioned in the Holy Quran. 4. In a dairy farm, 40 cows eat 40 bags of husk in 40 days. In how many days will one cow eat one bag of husk? 40. Which of the following words is a dummy pronoun? 8. Who was the leader of Quit India movement? Mahatma Gandhi. Who added the words As-salatu khairum minan nawm in the Fajr Azan? Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Sleep apnea is a disorder characterized by breathing problem, which of the following software is used to prepare presentation? PowerPoint. Name the tree whose wood is used for making cricket bats. Willow. Complete the sentence. Justice delayed is justice. It's denied. For how many years Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam lived? 950 years. Which of the following is territorial dispute between India and Pakistan? Sir Greek, name the pact in which the Muslims and Hindus of British India agreed for separate electorates. Lucknow Pact. Which of the following artificial lake is present in Rawalakot AJK? Banjosa Lake, the Nobel Prize for Peace is given in the city of Oslo. Lock jaw, difficulty in opening the mouth is a symptom of tetanus. What is meant by sine die without fixing a date? Faisalabad is famous for textile. Which one of the following countries is not a member of OPEC? Malaysia, Simon Report was unanimously condemned by all political parties of India. Filling the blank, blow dash the candle when you go to bed. It's out, blow out the candle when you go to bed. Nanga Parbat is located in Gilgit. Simplify 37 minus 5 plus 28 minus 19 minus 7. Its answer is 16. मंदरजा झैल में से कौन सा शायर मसनवी निगार की हैसियत से मशहूर हैं? मीर हसन, अलल्ले तलल्ले करना से क्या मुराद है? ऐश करना। फरहंगे आसफिया किसने मुरतब की? सैयद अहमद धिलवी। आशफताए हाल की तरकीब का मफहूम है परेशान हाल। कौन से मशहूर शायर ने पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी में मजदूर की हैसियत से काम किया और बाद में उसके मुम्तहिन मुकर्रर हुए? एहसान दानिश। ابلیس کی مجلس شورا کس کی نظم ہے؟ علامہ اقبال۔ خفیف ہونا محاورہ ہے، اس کا مفہوم ہے شرمندہ ہونا۔ ریل پیل ہونا محاورہ ہے، اس کا مطلب ہے کثرت ہونا۔ رنگ تیرا چمن میں بو تیری خوب دیکھا تو باغباں تو ہے، اس شعر میں علم بیان کی کون سی صورت آئی ہے؟ تشبیہ۔ چھوئی موئی ہونا محاورہ ہے، اس کا مفہوم ہے بہت نازک اندام ہونا۔